at the wrong spot, of course, for the experiment, and we didn't finish. So what we need to do, and what I need to do, is what really happened when we had this paper, okay? What's our conclusion? What could be our conclusion? Okay. I would think our conclusion, whoops, make you a little bit bigger. Our conclusion would be that with the milk and the water, the egg didn't change. With the Pepsi, the egg changed in color and it started to crack. Maybe if we left it longer, it might have cracked all the way through, which would have been kind of cool. So that would probably be our conclusion. So if you want, you would write the egg that is in the water and the milk did not change at all. The egg that was in the Pepsi totally changed color. It discolored and it started to crack. So you could do that. Okay, turn it over. Okay, I'm going to get myself small here. Turn it over, and now we're going to brush it. Yikes. I know. I think I tried to clean a little. It's still kind of there. All right, so this is what we're going to do. Oh, I think I can make myself, let's do this big. Okay, I can do a little bit bigger. So what would happen, hold on. So if we brush the egg in milk, what do you think would happen? Do you think anything? I don't really know if anything would happen. Okay, I'm not sure what would happen, but let's try it. Let's try it. Just because, let's see. So this was the one. Let's make you big. There we go. So here's the one. I'm going to have you go down to Tish. Okay, so here's the one. I know it's really icky. In the milk. All right, so if I really, nothing's happening to it. Not a thing. Maybe it's a little bit harder. Maybe it's a little hard. I don't know, but nothing's really happening. Okay, now we have the Coke. You know what I'm wondering though? I have some toothpaste here. Let's see what happens if, whoops. Here, Jay, undo that for me. Okay. Jaden's here. He's helping me. Ta, 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 ta. Let's put a little here, okay? And let's see if we brush it. Uh-oh. Nope. So, maybe if you drink a lot of Cokes and coffees and like that, and I try and brush my teeth as much as possible. And this is a little whip. Yeah. A little bit, but not much. It's a lot of brushing I'd have to do. Can you see? Oh, it's getting there. Look. Yeah, you really have to brush. Let's see if I can do it down a little more. Okay, here we go. Maybe a little more toothbrush, a little more stuff. There we go. It does come. Look at that. It does. How about that? But still, it's still stained, isn't it? Yeah, it's still stained. Okay, let's try the one that was in the water. Okay. Oh, look at my toothbrush. Ew. Uh-oh. Here, give me a little squirt there, dude. Harder, 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 harder. There we go. All right. I think this is Jaden's toothbrush I'm using.
It is.
Guess we're going to have to get him a new one, huh?
And fine, we have 2 toothbrushes.
Okay. There you go. And it really didn't do anything. Yeah, didn't do much. So, because it was already white, didn't really have a problem, but this guy, uh-oh, I think I just cracked it. But this, yeah, but it's a lot of brushing. You guys, like I said, you really need to brush your teeth so it doesn't get this way. And even after you brush a lot, it's still kind of icky, isn't it? Yikes. Well, so what do you think? When I brushed the Coke one, yeah, it came off, but it was still brown, wasn't it? Yeah, it was still brown. And nothing really happened with the one with the water or the milk. Just Mrs. White made a big old mess and got egg all over her. So anyway, there we go with that. So what I need for you to do now,
Mhm.
Jaden, thank you very much, my little science helper here. I need for you to get, because we are pretty much done with our teeth unit, but what I do need for you to get is your 2 green papers. I got a mess to clean up. I need you to get your 2 green papers. One is your test and one is a review sheet. So can you get those out? I'll give you, I'll sing the Jeopardy song while you get it out, okay? Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Turn off one of those lights, just one of them. Do, 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 do. All right, you got them? You could either hear me sing, or I guess you could have hurried and already turned me off, huh? Oh, I've got toothpaste on me. Ay, ay, ay. All right, I need a pencil. Let's do the 43B. I'm going to bend this down here. Okay. And I'll write on it. And I really don't think I need to write because I think you guys are able to do it. All right. So let's look at this. Let's look at our word bank. All right. Here we go. Okay. What are the words on our word bank? We have root. We have people. We have, what's the other one? Parts, grind, and teeth. Okay? Root, people, parts, grind, and teeth. Okay? So let's do number 1. The nifty thing is, I love it. They almost let you cheat here because they give you the first letter of the word. God designed us with 2 sets of what? Jaden, 2 sets of what? Teeth. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what are the names of those teeth? Primary and permanent. What's another name for primary? Baby teeth, okay? Because right now, believe it or not, you're in primary school. All right, so that means you're younger. It's the younger grades. So you're in primary school, and that's when you have primary teeth, okay? Number 2, a tooth's crown is above the gum line. You can see it. While the blank of the tooth is below the gum line. Jaden, what's the answer?
Root.
Root. All right. Number 3. Okay. Enamel, dentin, and pulp are what of the tooth? What are they of the tooth? Jaden, what do you think?
People.
Nope. Parts. They're parts. Okay. Now remember, if you've got your tooth, the enamel's on the outside, then you have the dentin, and then you have the pulp. The pulp is the part that has all the nerves and the little blood vessels in it. Okay. And if you start feeling it really, really bad, that means, man, that cavity's clear down there in the pulp. Yikes. Okay. Incisors help us to bite and cut. Remember, incisors. Oh, I'm sorry. Incisors. Incisors help us to bite and cut. Cusps help us to bite and tear. And molars help us do what? They help you grind your food. Grind and chew. And they're in the very back and they're flat. And the reason they're flat is so you can chew it and grind it. And last, number 5, blank can care for teeth by eating healthy foods, visiting a dentist, brushing, flossing, and wearing a mouth guard for sports. And we talked all about that yesterday, right? So who could be doing all those things? Oh, Jaden thinks he knows.
People.
People. People. Okay. So to keep your teeth healthy, brush them, floss them, go to the dentist, wear a mouth guard, eat healthy. That's what you should do. Okay. So you should have had all this done correctly. All right. Now remember, we have incisors, cusps, right? Molars, right? So now what I want you to do, once you get out your test, okay, put your name on it. Please put your name on everything. All right, put your name on everything. And it says fill in the circle to complete each sentence. You do not need to write the answer. Just fill in the circle. All right. And down here, it says color the incisors orange. You've got incisors on the top of your mouth and below your mouth. Okay. So I need for you to do this test pretty please. Do you think you can do it? I think you can do it. And I think you'll do a fabulous job. Don't you? I think you will too. All right, kiddos. Take the test. Good luck. You're doing great. You'll do great. You know all the answers, right? Of course you do. Of course you do. All right. So I will see you guys later. Bye.